In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The easiest way to fix the Steam Remote Play having lag is to open up your Steam Desktop app, and from here, select Steam from the top left corner of the screen, and then Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, go over to the Remote Play tab, and here you have to review some options to ensure that you are getting the best connection to Remote Play. First, allow direct connection, just set it to automatic, which should give you the enabled option. Now, on the host options, this is mostly personal preference depending on your computer, but I recommend turning on Enable Hardware Encoding for all GPUs, and also use NVFBC capture if you have an NVIDIA GPU or graphics card on your computer. Leave software encoding threads on automatic, and you can also prioritize network traffic if you have a high-end router with a lot of options. Click OK once you are done, and then this is the most important step. On the client options, you can choose to make the game more beautiful. However, this does mean lots of lag, or you can make it fast, but the quality might drop a little. If you are having too much lag, you might want to consider dropping it to fast in order to ensure better streaming overall. Afterwards, go to the advanced options, and in here, you can also limit your bandwidth if you are having problems with your connection. Leaving it on automatic is good, and if you have a good connection, you can even consider unlimited, but as you can see, the input lag will be higher. You can also limit the resolution, which might drop quality but ensure better connection, and configure stuff like audio and just some overlays. Enable hardware encoding, and once you are done, click OK and apply these changes. Like I said, the client options are the options that matter the most when streaming to Remote Play, and you might want to consider dropping them too fast. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Steam Remote Play lag. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.